So logout is another important function in applications. As a login mechanism, logout should also be done securely, but sometimes the application doesn't log out the user properly. And of course, this causes some serious privacy problems. There may be hundreds of ways to implement such an insecure logout function. So let's just have a look at one of them from BWAP. Okay, so go to Kali and log into BWAP. And from the drop-down menu above, open the Logout Management under Broken Authentication. Okay, so this is a sample authenticated page, and the default level is low. Now, view the page source to get some interesting information, if, of course, the page source has it. And there's nothing here. So when the link is clicked, a JavaScript confirmation dialog will appear, and then the application will redirect us to a new page, BA_logout_1. Okay, so now open Burp and activate interception. I'm going to rearrange my browser here for a better view. All right, enabling Foxy Proxy to send traffic to Burp. And now I'm going to click here to log out. Okay. And Burp captured the logout request. So let's forward the request. And we get a 302 redirection response. So it redirects us to another page with a location header. What is it? Login.php. So that means that the application logout sends us to the login page. It doesn't log us out. So this is a general logout mechanism example. And I'm going to forward the next messages as well. And I logged out. So the login page opened in the browser, but do we really log out? Okay, so now move on to the back button in the toolbar, right-click, and you will see pages that we've previously visited and cached. As you can see, the authenticated page that we visited is right there. So if we go back, the page will be displayed. I forgot that Burp is in interception mode. So go forward, disable interception, disable Foxy Proxy also, and open the page again as we think it should. So now let's visit some other pages. And as you can see, we're still logged in. So even for the medium and high level, the application really logged out the user. But there are a few differences in the code. So now select medium. And I'm going to click here to log out. Okay, so I logged out. But when I press the back button, nothing happens. This means that the application did indeed log me out. And the same thing happens when I choose the high level. Okay, so let's go to the code and have a look, see what's happening. Now, I previously downloaded the BWAP application to Kali because sometimes I want to show you the code as well. So I'm going to open BA_logout_1 and scroll down to see the actual section of logout. Yeah, so it works based on the cookie levels. If the level is low, it does nothing. And that's why we can see the page by pressing the back button. And if the level is medium, it just destroys the session. Now, for logging out, it may be enough, but it isn't really secure, is it? Because the session-related values are still present in the session variable in memory. So this variable also needs to be assigned a null or empty value. And that is done in the high level, as you can see here. So this bug is directly caused by an insecure logout mechanism. But we'll be talking about session problems in the next section. I want to go on with a couple of other problems.